Hi everyone, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to sign up on Strava. For that, first of all, open up your Strava app on your phone. After you open up your app, there you can see that you can sign up with Facebook, Google or email. For now, I'm going to show you how to sign up with email. So tap on it. Enter the email address that you want to link to your account. After you enter your email address, set a password. Be sure that your password is at least 8 characters. And when you are done, tap on Agree and sign up. To create your profile, you need to now enter your first name and your last name. After that, select your birth date and your gender. When you are done, select Next. If you want Strava to send you emails and notifications about your monthly stats, new challenges and clubs, stories from the Strava community, tap on Yes. If not, select No. Tap on Start Free Trial if you want to try a subscription for free. If not, tap on No Thanks. Tap on Let's Go if you are ready to record routes and track distance. If you use a device to record your workouts, select the device you use. If not, tap on Skip. If you want to discover the routes that your friends already love, tap on Sync Your Contacts. You can also search for friends. Now select Done to get started. This way you can sign up on Strava. Now you can track distance and record routes. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.